Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to limit Microsoft Edge browser's RAM uses in Windows, Mac and Linux computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Microsoft Edge web browser on your respective computer and just click on these three dot icons, and now just click on this help and feedback and just click on this about Microsoft Edge. Now kindly check for updates. So in my case, the Microsoft Edge is up to date and you can see the version number right now. Here you can see the version number. So you need to update your Microsoft Edge to this version number or higher than that. So firstly, update your Microsoft Edge browser to this version, and after that just click on this three dot icons again, and now click on this settings. Now on the left side you can see here one option, system and performance. Just click on it. Now just click on this performance. Just scroll down below. Now you can see here one option, resource controls. So just enable it. Now below you can see here control how much RAM Edge can use. So you can see here you can increase or decrease it depending upon your needs. You can set it to no limit also, or you can set it to the limit of 1.5 GB, and below you can see more options when to control resource. If you need just for gaming time, then you can just select the first option, or if you want it always to limit, then you can select the always options. So by using this inbuilt options present inside the Microsoft Edge web browser, you can easily limit Microsoft Edge browser's RAM uses in Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.